Let's make pickled peppers. Look how pretty they are. You can make these pickled peppers using any hot chilies you want. They are so delicious on sandwiches, on salads, on wraps. I love to put them on top of chili and soups and stews. Anytime you're trying to add a little crunch and tangy heat to your food, pickled peppers. The best part is they only take about 15 minutes to make. It really depends on how fast you can slice a jalapeno. Like my other pickle recipes, these are quick pickles, also called refrigerator pickles. They're called that because you don't store them in the pantry. These pickles keep in the fridge and they'll last about 3 weeks. There's no boiling, there's no sterilizing, no need to worry about contamination. In fact, you pickle these peppers right in the jar. I'm seasoning these peppers with coriander seeds, black peppercorns, and mustard seeds. If you only have like 1 or 2 of these, that's totally fine. They're gonna still be super delicious. If you can get your hands on some coriander seeds though, they add this like amazing burst of flavor. I love when I make a sandwich with these pickled peppers and I get like a little coriander seed in my mouth. It's like a flavor explosion. Grab yourself a heat-proof pint jar and add all of the spices, sugar, and salt to it. You can adjust the amount of sugar if you want your pickles to be less sweet, but because we aren't boiling this brine, don't add more sugar. This is kind of the most sugar that you're gonna be able to dissolve with this technique that we're using today. Next, take your garlic cloves and slice them in half lengthwise. You could slice them in half widthwise, but lengthwise exposes the most inside garlic surface area, and that'll infuse the brine with the most flavor the quickest. Add those to the jar, and then it's time to slice your peppers. I'm doing a mixed batch of peppers today. I'm using these jalapenos that I've had in the fridge for a bit, and then I scored these hot red Thai chilies at the DeKalb Farmers Market. Because this is a lot of peppers and those Thai chilies can be pretty hot, I'm gonna wear gloves. So slice up those jalapenos. And then for the Thai chilies, since they're so tiny, I'm just gonna cut the tops off and leave them whole. If you prefer though, you can slice those up too. Now just cram all those peppers in the jar. You really just wanna stuff it as full as you possibly can with hot peppers. Now grab your apple cider vinegar. The recipe calls for 3/4 cup, but what you really want to do is just fill the jar up halfway. And it's fine to just eyeball this. You don't have to be like completely exact. We're going to top this jar off with water, but not just with regular water. We want the water to be hot. That hot water is going to warm the brine up just a little bit, and it's going to help that sugar and salt dissolve. So top the jar off with water, close the lid, and then shake, shake, shake. You want to really shake it well because that's going to help the sugar and salt dissolve as well. Once you're done shaking, pop these in the fridge. You can eat your pickled peppers right away, but the flavor deepens as they sit in the fridge. So if you can wait for them to sit overnight, they're going to taste even more amazing. Like I mentioned up top, these will keep in the fridge for about 3 weeks, but mine never last that long because I have been putting these on absolutely everything. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these pickled peppers. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!